Hey guys, today we have my friend here, Bubbly, and we are going to be opening 100 shining crates. So yeah,
Yeah!
you better not use those, boy. So as you see, we got 100
3,
shining.
2,
No.
1. Double!
Yeah, we got 100 shiny crates, and we're gonna open all of them and see what we get. So let's start from this side. 3, 2, 1, go.
Ooh, we got a bunch of weapons. What is it?
RPG ammo. You got a full RPG? That's crazy.
Another whole RPG.
Man, your luck is crazy, Bubbly. Alright.
A land?
Last one. Yo, we actually got so much stuff.
Dude, my luck is crazy. I got 2 RPGs.
Yo, it's so laggy. Hold up. Let's use both of them.
For me, I didn't.
Give me one. Give me one. Oh. You want to do it? Come to that safe zone.
No, let's organize stuff.
Alright. Okay.
Dude, look at the clustered grenades.
Oh my god, it's so laggy. At least for me.
All the weapons here, alright? All the weapons here.
Explosives over here.
Yeah. Explosives.
And then we're gonna shoot it with one of those new RPGs that I got, and it's gonna be crazy. Everything's gonna go flying.
I'm getting the weapon.
Explosive. Oh, that's not an explosive. Oh, ammo right here.
Crazy thing is, we don't have a shotgun. Oh, never mind, we do. We only have one.
Yeah. Oop, run away.
No way shotguns are more rare than the RPGs.
There's a bunch of weapons. I'll take you. Oh yes. More explosives. I love it. Oh my god, was this not? Oh, that's why. Yo, look how many explosives we got. That's non-explosive.
We got melee weapons here. Both of melee weapons here.
Sorry guys that this video is taking so long.
No, nobody's gonna care though.
Yeah.
Longer videos is better. Oh, that's what I think.
Uh-oh. Where did that thing go? Oh. Okay. Hold up. More melee. Melee over here. Yep. Dang, we got a lot of bats.
Yeah.
And a lot of Hulk fists. That is just wild.
Alright.
Now we just gotta put these lances and Hulk fists up, and then we're done. I shall do the honors with the new thingamajig. I forgot what it's called. Attack on Titan RPG. Alright.
I need to take a picture of it, honestly. You should take a picture of it.
And why do that?
Oh my god. Yo, one RPG still stands!
Yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. Hope you guys enjoy. Make sure to like and subscribe. Drop a comment down below. And I'll see you guys in the next